Okay, you guys, we're at the Marriott Vacation Club in Olina, Honolulu. This is the ocean view room. There's a nice king size bed right there. You have a flat screen TV over here. This is more of like the apartment type room where you have the full sink. You have a fridge under here. You have a freezer right there. You have a microwave in your room. Storage for snacks. You have cups. You have knives, forks, plates, a market downstairs. You go over here. You have a pull-out sofa, so you can fit two more right there. So if you bring kids, you could have your kids sleep on the sofa couch over there. You have a little eating area, sitting area right here, where you can enjoy breakfast or have lunch. We're in beautiful Hawaii, so you know that comes with an awesome, beautiful view of the resort and the beach. Sun is setting right now, so it's really nice. The weather is really nice. Walk back in over here. Over here you have a nice sized bathroom. Shower area over there. A lot of drawer space. And over here you have a nice sized closet. You can fit a lot of things in there. Comes with extra blankets and pillows. Laundry basket. There's a place where you can do your laundry down the hall. Your safe where you can keep your belongings. And yeah, this is the ocean view room. And again, this is more of like an apartment style vacation club resort. So it's like a mini apartment in here, you guys. Hope you guys enjoy. See you at the next one.